today. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I live in London. Oh, okay. Oh, Nina lives in Manchester. Oh, Manchester. Ooh. I know someone. You're gonna make dinner. Oh yeah, because your time difference is, yeah, I understand that. Okay, guys, so this is pretty much done. We've got the bacon. Love me some bacon. And I got some of the, as some people would say from London, franks. Not sure if that's the word. Got me some franks. I just call them Vienna sausages. Bailey, do you guys have this in your country? Franks, the Vienna sausage kind in the can. Yum yum. So this is what breakfast is gonna look like for me. But I'm not done yet because I have a little bit of salad to go with that. Let's put this away. Here. A little bit. Nina, stop this. Nina, I don't think you eat the bacon, but I think you could eat the eggs and the plantain, the fried plantain. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, boo, what they try to do. All right. Man, I heard that on the news. Nancy, hi Nancy. How are you doing, Nancy? Oh, one of your favorites is Liverpool. Oh, but you guys have something in common. You and Bailey have something in common. Oh, Bailey. Okay, bye. Oh, everybody's going. You don't want to stick around. I'm just making fun. Okay, so I am gonna tomato. Guys, I love tomato. I do not eat it like this. I have to eat it sliced. So I am just gonna cut some of that up. Guys, don't forget to like the channel. Give me some thumbs up. Welcome to Farrell's Corner. If you're new to my channel, please like the channel, like the screen, tap your phone if you don't know how to do it. If you're on your laptop, you could just use your little cursor, go over to the corner. I believe it'll be on your right side and hit that thumbs up notification and let me know that you love what I'm doing. I love what I'm doing. Guys, to be totally honest with you, I wasn't always this type of person. Little story. I was so shy, so shy. So me doing this now is like yeah, this wasn't always me. This was like anybody who told me I'd be doing YouTube in 2025, I'd have been like, you're a liar. That's never gonna happen. But it happened. I'm doing it. It's so much fun. It's so realistic. It is the feedback you get from the people. Oh my gosh, I tell you, people out there actually love what you're doing. They love you. They love to see your content, and you have to keep it interesting and keep the vibe going. And I am loving every aspect of it. And yeah, I'm not that shy person anymore. Even my friends would say, I wouldn't think you would do this. I didn't think that you would be that person. And I'm like, yeah, I'm that person now. Like, I go out with them and I'm like, my phone is in my hand and I'm doing everything. And they're like, what are you doing? I'm like, it's from the channel. I'm like, yeah, of course. What do you think? But they're shy too. They don't want to be my yet. But it's a good experience. And if anybody out there wants to do YouTube, I say 100%. Just do it. My team for this year is do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Because if you don't know where you would be. You don't know what experiences you would have gained from it. And I am loving it. So just do it. Last year was a different motto. This year is a different motto. So just do it, guys. Okay, Nina, bye.